We are once again dealing with rain chances this morning after we saw some of those showers and storms AC was mentioning with the football games last night. A live look at our Speedway camera. We do have clouds in place. Light rain is moving in. 72 degrees here in Indy. But the big thing here is the dew points. Very much uncomfortable. That 70-degree dew point is a tropical-like air mass. Winds out of the west under 5 miles an hour. So here's the deal on Storm Tracker this morning. Not a lot of action so far in eastern Indiana, but we're having light to moderate rain for the most part, filling into parts of central Indiana, now just arriving to the metro. Let's zoom into the metro area. We just saw that rain's being reported at the airport here in Indianapolis. More steady rain just off to our west, getting into Hendricks County, going to be moving into Plainfield and Avon shortly. Further off to the south and west, heavier rain south and west of Cloverdale. Those are our lone lightning strikes we're seeing along this line of showers and storms. Overall, this line continues to march off to the east at about 30 to 40 miles an hour. Severe weather not really expected this morning, but the metro area will have this line moving in the 9 o'clock hour, and this will continue into eastern Indiana. More areas getting showers through the morning. Futurecast isn't doing the best job with that line of showers and storms, but I do think it has the right idea on the timing. We'll get into this afternoon, and our rain chances start to shift off to the south. Areas like Lafayette and Kokomo, your rain chances may be wrapping up here after this morning line. And then we're watching areas to the south through the afternoon, including Bloomington and Columbus. Coverage appears spotty, but we'll see as we go through this afternoon, considering all the heat and humidity, or mainly just the humidity for today. I wouldn't be shocked if we have more showers and storms to our south. Today's forecast, rain chances highest in the morning. It's going to depend where you are for the afternoon, into the lower 80s. And of course, we have college football back in action. Purdue's first game of the season. They're kicking off at noon. As I mentioned, some of these areas to the north potentially drying out. So I'd go mostly cloudy, mainly dry forecast for that Purdue game at noon. Potentially more sun later on in the game. IU's game taking on FIU. Maybe a slightly different story. Could have some showers and storms around early on in that contest and then drying out as we get later on in the evening. Temperatures limited into the 70s. Most areas into the lower 80s for highs today. I know it's not nearly as warm as our record highs yesterday in the mid 90s, but you have to keep in mind, very humid out for today. Tonight, to the lower 60s, upper 50s. We do have some big improvements behind this cold front that's moving in. Tomorrow in the low to mid 80s, plenty of sunshine. The difference with tomorrow is the humidity starts to drop as we go through the day, and that's going to make for a much improved forecast by the time we're talking Labor Day. Futurecast upper air pattern has a dip in the jet stream for Monday and Tuesday. Much cooler air expected for each of those days, and humidity dropping Sunday in the pleasant category for both Monday and Tuesday. Hensley Legal Group 7-day forecast. Nearly ideal forecast, I'd say, for Labor Day. Temperatures in the mid-70s, upper 70s on Tuesday. Besides the rain chance for today, not a lot of action as we're going on through our forecast. Temperatures returning closer to average on Wednesday. The next rain chance in the forecast right now far out on Friday. That's a smaller chance of rain. Temperatures closer to average.